meron kang access dito eh. Meron kang MYPS. Lahat ng system, lahat ng application nasa sa'yo. Paano nagkaroon ng ghost projects?
Your Honor, Mr. Chair, yung pong report na nasa PCMA ay meron pong yung pong lahat ng proyekto na...
Real time nga ito eh. Anytime na i-punch mo doon, halimbawa, projects, flood control projects in Bulacan. Kung anong district ang gusto mo, District 1, District 2, District 3, alam mo, real time, by location, geotag. Alam mo nangyayari on the ground because it's being updated by your project engineers on the ground. Anytime, you don't have to go there. Tama?
Tama po, Your Honor.
Bakit merong ghost projects?
Your Honor, Mr. Chair, kompleto po yung mga data na sinubmit.
Kompleto nga sa inyo, bakit ang tanong, but may ghost projects if this PCMA is working?